If we could take a small step back and talk the big picture stuff. Since you and I last spoke, we've had several weeks of volatile trading, to say the least, a banking crisis, and of course we can consider Wednesday's FOMC meeting a bit of a cherry on top. Bruce, looking at this week's trading, what stood out to you? And more importantly, what does it tell you about what might happen next?
Well, the nature of the trading was a little bit different in the past week. Um, there were some rallies intraday and things like that, but the sell-offs have become much more steep and much more rapid. There was a much more quicker move to the door where people want to get out of things, and that's starting to see. You're starting to see a little pickup in the VIX and a little more panic. And Wednesday action in particular was a key reversal day on Fed day. You know, you made a new high for the move up, and you turned around and closed very weak. So that was a pivotal day. The tone of the trading and the tone of the media coverage has shifted over to a realization, I believe, that the banking crisis is more than just one or two, banks around the country or overseas. It's a growing realization. I believe that the economy is going to weaken, earnings are going to come down, and that should be the last decline in this bear that started in late 2021. First big move down was valuation, repricing on interest rates, and then I think we'll be seeing a repricing of the averages on an earnings downgrade.
Bruce, are there any key resistance levels that you think our members should have on their radar?
I would probably zoom in, not that there was a lot of price action in the area. Usually, if there's more price action in an area, there's more people that want to react to that level again. But it's not like a big resistance area, but I would focus on like 4,050, 4,080 area on the S&P 500. That's the area just above Wednesday's reversal. I think if you got through there might be shorts that want to cover at that point because that was a good location to put on a short, let's say on Wednesday's high. But I think strength above that, 1 or 2% above that Wednesday's high would be a pivot point for short-term technically oriented traders.